Devin, what are we looking at here?
Yeah, so this is just a configured DX6 Vise that is in the DMC. So there's like a standard configuration here where the stock is in the jaws here. You can go to the modify, change parameters, and you can change the obviously sizes and everything here. If you want to alter the configuration so that the default standard selection is changed, you just go to the configure table, and then you can see those items here. Now, I did build this a while ago before they had the what is it called? It's called implicitly suppressed, where things would get implicitly suppressed. So I think I have all my joints and everything in here, and there's like a whole table of them being turned on, turned off, things like that. But this is where you would change what the standard sizes are if you want to always have this certain size stock in there. But I have the standard in there, have it with parallels, and then it's also have it with just the back jaw flipped. So this is pretty common for like big parts where you set it up there. And then I have both jaws flipped, which for big parts and whatnot. And then soft jaws. The soft jaws are pretty slick. Well, I don't want to say I made this add-in. I stole an add-in and then we made it better. But I have this parameter edit add-in that shows me that same table there, so I can just type in whatever value I want for the stock, and then for the soft jaw, you have a soft jaw X, a soft jaw Y, and a soft jaw Z. You can choose what size the soft jaws are, and then you also have soft jaw spacing here. So if you want it to be a half inch, you can just type that in. It'll just go to a half inch. You can just dunk your part in there, combine it, remove the section, and you have your soft jaws there. And then also there is soft jaws flipped, which this is pretty common for me too. I used to make some big parts and put stuff in there and have to cut those out. And then the last one would be using parallels, but also using that little stop that's down here. I didn't know Angelo, did you know day one what that little stop was for?
No. Are you
This
talking
thing, I
about
didn't,
that little
this
holder,
thing,
the
yeah,
storage
for so
place?
many years I was like, I don't
Yeah.
know what this stupid little thing is, and I took it out and I never knew what it was. It's a stop for the jaws. That's why your front jaw has that slit in it.
Yep. That little
You can
groove. Yeah.
actually use a little
It's
Allen
handy.
key
Yeah.
there and wedge that in there. And then if you change your stock position or your size here, the stop will move with that. So all the stuff is jointed in here. I'm sure you can probably type in some combination numbers and break this,
Yeah. It's slick though, Devin. Good job, man.
Hmm. Very cool.
yeah,
Yeah, this
that
looks
file's in the
interesting.
DMC. If you just search for Kurt, you should be able to find it in there.
Yeah.
Thanks as always for coming by. Obviously, if you have questions, you can put them in the DMC at any time, and we'll try our best to answer them. Until then, stay sharp.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video and want to see more, be sure to join me over at the Digital Manufacturing Collective. You can get the DMC app on your iOS or Android device now in the Apple or Google Play Store. I'll see you over there.